The Supreme Court has affirmed the rights of people in New BAKASSI in Cross River State to participate in the election conducted by the Independent National Electoral Commission. A panel of the Apex Court justices in a judgment ordered INEC to take steps that will make the people of the area feel belonging in the electoral system in the country. Our judiciary correspondent Basil Kafu tells us more.
After Bakassi Peninsula was ceded to Cameroon, the Cross River State House of Assembly had created additional walls from Ekang in Ababio Council and added to the remnants of the lost Bakassi to make up the new Bakassi under the law number 7 of 2007. But the Independent National Electoral Commission allegedly declined to conduct elections in the new Bakassi on the grounds that the law creating this council must be ratified by the National Assembly before it will hold elections in areas not recognized by the federal government's document. This crisis had resulted in litigation involving the Cross River State government and INEC over the electoral status of the new Bakassi in the state. Delivering a judgment in the case, the Supreme Court affirmed the powers of the state lawmakers to make law for boundary adjustment. Counsel to the parties in the matter reacted after the judgment.
Like I said in court, it was a well-considered judgment. We had no doubt as to what would be the outcome because INEC being a federal commission cannot be compelled to obey state law, and that's what the Supreme Court just said. So we agree with the judgment.
So the Supreme Court said that the people of Bakassi have suffered a lot and they should be allowed to vote. So if you look at it, the people of Bakassi have been liberated by the judgment of today. That law number 7 is valid, they can vote and the vote be counted for them in Bakassi. INEC should go ahead and do the needful by adjusting their directory to reflect the current reality.
Some of the people from the affected area who witnessed the judgment commended the verdict of the Apex Court.
We look forward to INEC to do the needful as directed by the courts. And we give thanks to God and to Nigerians for making it possible for us to be where we are.
A clear-cut direction has been made by the highest court in the land. So as a people that are very law-abiding, will go with the dictates of the judgment.
The state government had insisted that with the creation of the new Bakassi and the enabling law, that Ekang is entitled to benefit in all things like other councils in the country. Basil Okafor, Court TV News, Abuja.